Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to use a bank's online financial health check tools. Let's just get right on the video. Now if you're using it from your Barclays bank application, then what you need to do is first simply head over and open up your Barclays bank application and log in with your credentials or using your Face ID or fingerprint or Face ID. Then once that's done, what you need to do is simply from the home screen tap on the accounts option. Once you're inside accounts, depending on your account, you may see money insights, spending and insights. Simply tap on your financial health view by tapping on the accounts once again, and here tap on money insights. Now once you're inside there, what you need to do is tap on your financial health view. Now key Barclays financial health tools are spending breakdowns. What it shows is monthly spending totals, categories like food, transport, bills and shopping, trends over time, and automatically categorize easy to read charts. The next is bills and subscriptions overview, which helps you see direct debits and regular payments, track upcoming bills, sports subscriptions you may not use. And next is income and spending or income versus spending, which shows money coming in versus going out, monthly surplus or shortfall, and overall financial picture. You can also see the insights as well by simply tapping on it. You may receive alerts from high than usual spending, new subscriptions, and low balance warning as well. This helps you stay in control. Now if you want to use the PayPal, then what you need to understand is PayPal does not replace bank's financial health tools, but it enhances them by acting as a central payments and activity hub linked to your bank. When PayPal is linked to your bank account, PayPal transactions appear in the bank spending analysis. The bank categorizes PayPal payments under shopping, subscriptions and bills. You can monitor cash flow, subscriptions and outgoing payments, and PayPal extra visibility for online and subscription spending. How this works is you link it to your bank account, and once you link to your bank account, you use PayPal for payments and subscriptions, and transactions flow into your bank account, and your bank's financial health tools analyzes the data. Now if you want to use it from the Chase Bank application, then what you need to do is simply log into your Chase Bank application, and then once you're inside there, tap on your accounts option or accounts from checking and savings. Then once there, you'll find an option that says spending and budgeting option. Simply select that, and now under spending and budgeting, you'll find spending summary, insights and budget tracker. Now if you select spending summary or spending, and then you'll see monthly spending summary, charts and tools by simply tapping on say spending summary. The next is spending categorized breakdown. You'll see categories like food and dining, shopping, bills and utilities and travel. Simply tap on any category to see the details. You can also see transaction details by simply tapping on the transaction details option. What you see is merchant name, amount and date and category, and you can review or spot unusual spending here as well. The next is a cash flow, which is income versus spending. What you see is money coming in and money going out, monthly trends, which helps identifying overspending and shows if you are saving or losing money monthly. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did and comment down any questions that you have, and we'll see you soon on the next one.